Right people, let's have a look at how to register in X3 Matrix. So we strongly recommend members use SafePal Web3 wallet, although you can use any Web3 wallet as long as it supports the OPBNB network, not the BNB Binance Smart Chain or BP20. X3 Matrix is operating on the OPBNB blockchain network. So we do recommend SafePal, although you can use any wallet that you are more accustomed to, but it's just because we are more experienced with SafePal. So yes. Right, so the minimum requirement for one position is 0.001001 BNB. The registration fee is 0.001. That's around $60. You can see there it's $60 cents, not even $1. Right, so now we want to register. You're gonna go to the Explore tab, or in your other wallets, I think it says the Discover or something, but you need to go to the D app browser. Right, then we're going to tap on the search bar, and I already copied and added the link here, so it's already in search history. So we're gonna go to choose that one. I want to register a position under number 2347. So I'm gonna press go. But before I do that, I'm gonna show you this. Very important, your network must be on OPBNB as well. Now this one is there already. It looks like that. Make sure that that one is selected. Otherwise it will not, it's not the Binance Smart Chain or BNB chain. It is OPBNB. Alright, make sure that it's got the green tick, and then you press go. And you confirm. Right, then this screen will come up and you will see the referral number 2347. Always verify and make sure that it is the correct number that you received from the person that sent it to you. You can see the registration fee is 0.001 BNB on the OPBNB network. And then you're going to scroll up a little bit and you're going to press on register. And you're going to confirm the transaction. Alright, and there you go. It takes less than 1 minute, but you need to understand how to do it. And so this is your new wallet position number 5337. The link that you want to refer someone, you can just scroll up to get your referral link. You can just copy it here. It's copied. Don't try to highlight it here. You can, but sometimes people miss numbers. And you can see it. Just make sure that you copy it on this tab that says copy. It says copied. Right, now you can send it to other people as well, or you can register more positions on your link. That's how you get your link. So that is how to register in X3 Matrix. Right, just for recap, we recommend a SafePal wallet. Load at least 0.001 BNB on the OPBNB network, not the BP20 network. Alright, please reach out to the person that invited you or that sent you this if you need any assistance. Or please contact me. The description will be in the, or the WhatsApp link will be in the description of this video. Thank you very much.